redundancy, yeah. And one reason, initially we were just going to go with the Sony's, and then
belong to some amateur astronomers.
Che telescopio!
So
Oh mamma mia! Ben fatto, ben fatto. Siamo qui nell'Università dell'Idaho e questo telescopio è davvero meraviglioso.
So I don't know the last time this telescope was used. Actually, I think it might be a while.
some time ago.
Yeah, it's from the 60s, I believe.
The two parabolas in the back were from radioastronomy experiments.
I don't know anything about.
I mean, it's fairly high. The weather is not bad.
Notate la
I mean,
cupola?
clouds.
Yeah,
So
I think
relatively
outside of
dry,
the
maybe.
summer,
I don't-
yeah.
Oh, sorry, okay.
But look at the details. This is my first time here,
I
pretty
see.
much.
I take a quick picture. Well, I really need to. Hold on. Yeah.
I was showing the telescope. Do you know much about it?
A little bit, yeah. So some of its history and stuff. The building was built in the 80s, I think like 83, but the telescope I think is higher quality. But it's it's still used just for fun, for looking at the moon and things.
Fine.
So you can work it. You can point it. And look
Wait.
through it. Oh, cool.
Il mega cupolone dall'esterno. Ora siamo dove a salire tutto il tempo. In cima al cupolone. No, devi solo fare attenzione dove ti vedi qua. Arriva?
Looking up right now, so I don't want to get in the field of view.
Yeah, sure.
So we should be okay over here. So here are the 4 PMTs. These are the 450s.
Okay.
There's a polarizing beam splitter here and a polarizer here and here. Yeah, so 2-inch lens, 1-inch lens. Just a telescope comes in here, goes in there. After it goes through filters, it goes in here, and then identical system
Yeah.
on the side.
Just made a step, right?
It orients to 0 every time, so it
Oh, I
kind of
see.
just
Oh, so
jiggles
that's
a
why
little.
it jiggles.
Yeah, that's why I did that. And then during totality, it was supposed to, go here, and then back, and there, just 90 degrees. I mean 180 degrees. Yep. We run it from a Raspberry Pi.
Oh,
the
yeah,
Raspberry
yeah,
Pi?
I know what it is. Yeah, sure.
Yeah, so
They're amazing.
they are, except today.
Except today, yes. Yeah.
But then that way we didn't have to sit here. We could sit over there, watch the eclipse, and control everything here. That was the whole plan. But yeah, but not too bad. The system works great when it works. So I would have liked to have seen those data next time.
Next
hopefully.
time.
Yeah.
2024, right?
2024. Yeah. Hopefully I'm not in school still. Cool. Yeah, so clear sky. Well, maybe there's some, maybe just probably just smoke.